Hey everybody, what's up? It's your girl Chiney and welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is going to be a try on haul courtesy of Flamingo. Now Flamingo is a beauty brand and they sell tons of cute, sexy outfits and different outfits for different occasions. So they were kind enough to send me some stuff. They're kind enough to send me some stuff and I'm here to do a try on haul of everything that I got so you guys can see. Okay, stay tuned. Now I haven't opened it yet and I've had it for a while, but I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to open it on camera so you guys can see exactly what it looks like when you order your package straight out of the box. Alright, I don't have no scissors or nothing like that, so bear with me, see? Alright, let's see what we have here. Okay, tons of goodies. Okay, let's see what we got. All right, so I have this purple number we're gonna try on. Have this, I don't remember what it is, we're gonna try that on. Jeans, we're gonna try that on. Really excited to try on the jeans because you know a girl has hips, so I'm really hoping I got the right size. I think these are shorts. More things, and more things. So give me a minute, let me hop into the first outfit and we'll see what it looks like. All right, guys, let's jump into the first outfit. I decided to take it outside. You know what I'm saying? It's a beautiful day here in Kingston City. So let's get into it. We have here this plunge tank from Flamingo. Loving the spaghetti straps. It has the scrunch sides with the two strings. So they're, you know, like regular strings. So you could tighten it up. And like I said, it's scrunch. So that way you could really give yourself like a, you know, like an hourglass kind of look here. The shorts are also from Flamingo. Everything that I ordered, I got in a size large because of these hips, honey. And just to make sure, I want to make sure everything fits and everything that I ordered is true to size, so you don't have to worry about going up a size or going down a size depending on, you know, your body shape and your body type. But this is a one cute outfit. I paired this with the jean shorts. Jean shorts are really cool. I love the fact that it has really deep pockets, not just for show. You can put things in it for real too. Has two pockets on the back. That's super cute as well. I like the fact that it's like faded jeans. It fits really well. It's also stretchy, which I like, so you could, you know, move and dating. This outfit I would say would be for like a nice casual look. You know, you could dress it up, you could add a blazer, you could do whatever you want, but it's really hot right now, so I think like this is super cute. I paired it with some sneaks, so you could do that as well. Heels, like I said, you could dress it up, but this is for like a real nice, sexy, comfy fit, and I'm really feeling this one. Comment below and let me know if you guys like this one. I'm gonna change it to the next outfit. All right, next on the list, we have these lovely jeans. Now, if you've been following me, you know that it's kind of tricky for me when I order jeans online. I don't really do it that often. Why? Because of these hips, honey, because of these hips. But I fit in these Flamingo jeans though. The quality is amazing. I love the fact that it's stretched. Again, I'm wearing a size large. I like the detailing on these jeans. It's a light blue jeans. I love that it has this cute little pocket right here. It's not a fake pocket, so you can actually like put things in it. It's really cute. I like the design and the stitching. And if you look at this. Let me come closer so you guys can see how dope is the stitching right here. It's so cute. As you can see, it makes that booty nice and round. Look at this, yes. Picks up everything. Hugs the waist so you don't have to worry about that. Look at that. Look how nice that booty looks. Hugs the waist so you don't have anything to worry about. I like the fact that you can style this and wear it with anything. I like the fact that it has the zippers on the side, so that's really cool. Like, look, see? It has the zippers on the side, so you can open and style it like your own little way, or you could you know, zip it and wear it down. That's a cool feature of these. Comment below and let me know how you are liking these jeans and how they fit. I like them. It hugs the curves really well and no complaints. Again, I'm wearing a large. It stretches, so it really fits, and I'm really happy that I got these online. They're so cute. All right, ladies and gentlemen, up next we have another pair of jeans. Remember what I said, jeans is not my thing to shop online, but shopped at Flamingo, got some really cute, well-fitted, hips hugging, curves fitting, great quality jeans. This one, do I say it's my fave? I like the fact that it's super unique. Check this out. All right, so it's ripped, it's light blue, and it fades in right here. It's high-waisted, so ladies, if you have that, you know, fupa or that, you know, lower belly pooch, this is excellent. It comes all the way up, fits the hips really well, stretchy, fits everything. And look at this, it comes with like super cute suspenders that you can wear. That you can wear it down if you like, or like, you know, you can spruce it up. You could just like wear one, or you could put two of them up and, you know, rock it like so. It's super adjustable, so right here you'll be able to adjust it. Depends on how, you know, short or tall you are. You can adjust it like that. You can wear this. I have on this green piece right here is a bodysuit, one-piece bodysuit, clips underneath, so you can wear it like that, or you can wear it with like a crop top, or even like just a bralette kind of thing. That works. But I really love these jeans. I love the style and I love the uniqueness of it. Fits really well, like I said before. I love the fact that the buttons start here and it comes all the way up. Super comfortable, really sleek, really stylish. Deep pockets, so you can put stuff in it. Deep pockets in the back as well. Ladies, comment below and tell me how you guys are feeling these jeans. You can move with it, zines with it, you know, whatever you want to do. So comment below and let me know if you are feeling these jeans, because I sure am. Woo! Let's jump into the next bit. All right, guys, let's jump into this. Now, you guys know I'm ready to try work on the whole fitness tip and stuff like that. So I did order 2 pieces of gym wear. So I'm gonna show you guys and you let me know what you think. Okay, this one right here, this is not from Flamingo. This was just like a sports bra that I have that I'm just putting on to show you guys with this. But this right here, honey, is workout tights that I bought from Flamingo to work out in. Let me tell you a few reasons why I love this one. It's super stretchy, which means it could fit any movements or anything like that you're gonna be doing in the gym. It's not see-through, so nobody's, you know, you'd rather like cheap material and like the more it stretches, the more you can see your skin. Not with this. It fits really well. It's super long, straight down to the ankles. I'm gonna show you, look. So like you could literally, like, I'm tall, I'm 5'9", and it goes like, look, over your shoes, your workout shoes, or whatever you're gonna work out in, it goes over it. So that is a plus. I really like the fact that it is high. Look, I like the fact that it is high up. So again, if you have a little pudge or anything, you keep this in. But the key thing about these leggings are this right here. This is the key area. Ladies, you know we want to lose inches on our waist. We want to sweat. We want to get that stomach nice and tight. We want to get those curves. And I believe this is what's going to help you when you work out. Peep game, look. This has a metallic layer on the waistband right here, so that when you start working out and you start sweating, this will help you sweat this area. The more you do your ab exercises, you know, your crunches, your side exercises, this right here will help. Like, I'm just shooting this video, I'm outside, it's hot, and I'm already like sweating in this area, which is a good thing if you're trying to lose inches on these waists, honey, you know what I'm saying? The fact that it comes with 3 layers of tightness. So you have 1 right here, 2 and 3, and you know it has the hooks. I like to keep it nice and tight, so you already know I'm gonna do it on the tightest level. And it's not uncomfortable at all. Like, you can still breathe in it, run in it, whatever you wanna do in it, okay? All right, so like I said again, it has this metallic part right here. I don't know if it's a material or whatever they put right here, but it'll help you sweat right here. Keep in, you know, everything, your extra fats, your extra skin, whatever it is. Keep this in nice and tight, tucked while you work out, and it helps you to sweat in the area that matters most. So ladies, I feel like this right here is a pair of leggings that's to the next step of leggings that you have, a little bit more advanced. The quality is great. It's not gonna bust out or nothing like that. I really like it. It fits everything. The booty looks really nice in it. Of course, you know that's important. I'm not mad at that. And it hugs everything that needs to be hugged. So comment below and let me know what you think about these tights. All right, so this is the last outfit that I got. This, like I was saying before, is gym wear. Isn't this super cute? It's a 3-piece workout set. It has the ribbed pattern that hugs everything so well. Hold on. Yes, it has the ribbed pattern that hugs everything so well. Super cute, super stretchy. I got a large. It goes all the way down to my ankles, so no high waters when you're working out. If you're cold, you have a jacket to go with it. If you're hot, you could take it off. I really like this one. Yeah, so if you're hot, you can take it off. I love the detailing in the back. Look, cute little detail in the back. Super stretchy, it fits the bum. Fits the bum really, really nicely. Fits, you know, ladies, this area really nicely. Fits this area. Do I need a drink or something? What's going on? All right, so it fits this area really nicely, hugs the curves, tuck and hides, whatever that needs to be done. I got a large. It has pockets on the side, so you can slip in like your phone or, you know, anything like that. You can put it like right here, anything that you're gonna run with. This is super cute. Comment below, ladies, and tell me if you like this fit. They have different colors, but I chose this purple one. It's really cute. If you have huge tatas, the support is there. It'll definitely keep it in. Comment below, let me know how you guys are feeling this. Listen, I must say, for the first time ordering from Flamingo, their stuff is really, really nice. And I'm gonna hook you up just like how they hook me up. If you wanna check out any of these pieces or any other thing they might have on the site, make sure you visit their website. Also, while you're there, use coupon code ChineyKPopG for a discount site-wide. Whatever you shop on the website, use ChineyKPopG for a discount. Let me know what you guys think of all these looks from Flamingo. Comment below, share this video with your friends so they can see really cute outfits. Hit me up and let me know what you think about it, and make sure you guys shop on Flamingo. Okay, bye. Like and subscribe.